I'm reviewing the JB3 from Easy Solar. This is a universal, rail-mounted electrical box. All right, let's install it. This junction box comes with these black round stainless steel clamps that pop on to some clips on the back of them and can be slid on any rail and then tightened down. It's about the size of my hand. It comes with a ground bar and a DIN rail that snaps in. And then you have a few screws for the lid. Now that we've installed it, let's go ahead and do the durability test. This material is strong. That was one soft hit. That's impressive. I started out hitting it kind of soft because I didn't want to just break it on the first try. I kind of wanted to build up to breaking it. And then it was like wham, wham. And I was like, I have to hit this thing really hard in order for it to break the clamps. Not even the clamps. It dented the lid. And then after it actually kind of started to break through the lid, and then it broke one of the brackets off, but neither of those circular stainless steel clamps broke. Neither of them broke. The actual box broke off on one side and the other side held. What do I not like about this product? My first impression when I grabbed it was immediately drawn to those clamps that secure it to the rail. I was like, wait a second, what is this? But I had a chance to fasten it to the rail, strip out the threads, break the brackets, break the straps, yank on them. My opinion of it was immediately changed. My mind keeps going back to the universal aspect of this product. This is one thing I hate about the solar industry. Everyone is trying to make their own system for attaching solar panels to their roof. And they use different brackets that are not compatible with anything else out there because they're trying to make like their own proprietary system where you have to use their junction box and their foot and their rail and their mid clamps, and so you have to buy everything from that one manufacturer. When we're looking at this product, it is made to be universal. So it does not matter what rail you're using, it's designed to secure to that rail and do its job. No more like tech screwing a random box that you got at the closest hardware store to the rail because you ended up not being able to do an attic run. This is just a universal box that works. There's nothing else out there on the market. Everybody makes their own proprietary box that only works with their system and doesn't work well with other systems. Or you're getting something from just the local hardware store and like screwing it to the rail. And time again, I see those leaking, filling up with water, shorting out circuits, just being a service nightmare. like, they're not gonna last more than 5 to 10 years. I highly recommend talking to your supplier or contacting the guys at Easy Solar and checking this product out.